in today's thing we're making cornbread. We already have the mixer, so yeah.
We tried the, oh wait, I always add salt to it just because I can.
Okay.
I got this all.
The salt lady.
Sponsored by Morton Salt.
Yep. We're sponsored. Hashtag
Sponsored.
Hashtag spons. Okay. So how the heck do I get this open?
How do you eat?
Can I try it?
How do you eat? For real, yo. Do you mash the food first, or do you swallow it whole? Hope I'm choking. Thanks, you just saved me.
I think I messed it up.
I think she messed the salt up.
Is this how that works?
No.
Oh.
Hold on.
That little woman. I'm taller than everyone in this room except for my mom. How do
You
you?
could have just said you're taller than me. I was told heavy. I wasn't. Miss Sarah, I was told heavy. I wasn't told how heavy.
Okay. That'll work.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Butter.
Ow,
Entertain
stuck in my foot.
Entertain.
I will mix. Let me eat some.
You did it.
Got it.
Yay.
Did it get you?
No.
Girl. Careful with the salt.
Okay.
Be careful. It goes out fast.
I wonder if it works. Do I even dare?
I don't think you
Michael
should.
Jackson concert.
It works.
That's literally what it looked
Why
like.
not?
It looked like a legit Michael Jackson concert. A little bit more now. Whoa. Well, that was a lot.
Yes, it works. Definitely.
Well,
Oh, I caught it.
But what are you trying to heat up?
Absolutely nothing.
Oh. Cinnamon.
Now it smells like cinnamon in here.
Does everybody want to go to the apartment?
Yes.
Yes.
After we
Well,
make
you have
this.
to go ask your folks.
Me?
Both of you.
Can I come, Mama?
Okay, vlog. Here we go.
I think. Do you have my mom's or my grandma's number?
What is that?
Cornbread.
There to ask.
Yeah, let's go.
What we're making.
There to ask.
Can we finish baking?
Can we finish making?
Yes. Well, we're not. No, wait.
Oh my gosh, guys! I can't.
Hey.
It looked like an actual Michael Jackson concert.
Right.
We didn't tell you, but
It was
we broke
sparking.
the stinking microwave.
We didn't break it. It just started sparking because we put it.
Michael Jackson.
Because we put metal in it.
It's Michael Jackson.
Yup. Okay. Now it's time to put it in our pan.
Pour it in the. Hold on. She was told heavy.
I wasn't told how heavy.
Oh my god, that looks like caper stir-up.
Yeah. You know,
It looks like Rice Krispies.
I said, did you hear what I said?
No.
I said, yeah, you know, before he died.
No! Yeah, my dad died. It's sad. Why does life have to be so sad?
That's it.
I was told very heavy. I was told heavy. I didn't know how heavy.
No.
Spread it.
So I spread it around. It's just going to coat the bottom of the thing.
This is going to be a very thin. Very, very thin.
It rises.
cornbread. I know, but it's going to be the size of like right here.
You dropped your.
It's supposed to be a little bit up.
It rises.
Here, put it at the door.
It'll
So you
rise.
Okay, are you ready? Hey, Mama, is this Michael? Is this ovenable? Can we put-
Ovenable, yeah.
Ovenable.
Ovenable.
Is that even a word?
No. It's a new word.
Yay!
What are you guys making?
Cornbread.
Cornbread?
Mm-hmm.
Special salty cornbread.
And to make it even more specialer.
Put bananas in it.
No. I was going to say we were going to spread the chocolate.
No. That makes... That's bad for you.
They don't really care.
It smells bad in here now.
It smelled like cinnamon earlier because your mom microwaved cinnamon.
I'm gonna go drink my Coke.
You do that. I'm not.
You be you. I be me.
Little smiley in it. Probably gonna be a fail, but you know.
Are you ready to put it in the ovenable? In the ovenanya.
Now it's time to put this ovenable skillet
Skillet
into the microwave.
into the
Can you put that in the sink for me while I
not
put this in
the
oven?
microwave
I mean I said the sink.
oven.
Well, I'll put this in the oven.
Thanks, you just saved me. Ovenable into the put the ovenable skillet into the ovenanya.
Wow. Okay.
Try to enjoy yourself here.
We gotta bake.
You didn't look, did you?
So how the heck do I so bake
Cooking time.
cooking time 20 cooking time 20
That's 2 hours.
Can you clear that for me, please? Okay, cooking time
20.
20 minutes. There you go.
Told you.
Did it even start?
Oh,
Bake.
baked.
At
How many degrees?
It was 450. There we go.
Start.
Start.
I think I used my middle finger there.
Wow. Now put it to bake. This
My
is gonna be
friends.
Here, pause it while it bakes. Because nobody wants to wait here for 20 minutes. So
Maybe we can do a little Q&A.
No.
Yes.
No, we just gotta pause it while it bakes.
No.
Because we're running out of storage now.
No. Just like a tiny little Q&A for like 5 minutes. Oh no, like 2 minutes.
We ain't got no time for that.
Okay, so guys, Q&A. Olivia, do you want to ask me a question about myself?
No.
Oh. Okay then. Trying to be Sky the Kid RS here. Would you be mad at me if I play some copyright music?
Yeah.
Nope, not today, Satan. Not today, Satan.
I got some food up in here.
We're surviving the apocalypse.
Hershey's, I said chocolate.
Choco.